Welcome to this demonstration video on how to use the iCare Hepatitis C Test Kit. Detailed instructions can also be found in the package, either on an instructions insert or printed on the back of the test packet. Please follow all steps carefully. Opening the main package, you will find an alcohol prep pad, a lancet, a diluent bottle, and a test packet. In the test packet, you will find a plastic test cassette, a micropipette or dropper, and a moisture absorbent packet. The moisture absorbent packet is not used for the test and should be discarded. Begin by placing the test cassette on a flat surface. The test cassette consists of two main parts: the well, where you will place your blood sample, and the result window, which will show the results. Open the alcohol pad and sterilize the finger to be tested. You will get the best results drawing the blood from the inside surface of the finger. Clean the entire tip of your finger by rubbing thoroughly with the alcohol prep pad. Next, prepare the lancet by removing the cap and disposing of it. The lancet is now ready for use. Press the open end of the lancet firmly against the sterile area of your finger. The lancet will then prick the finger. Dispose of the lancet with care. Using the micropipette, gather a drop of blood from the finger. You may need to squeeze your finger several times to produce enough blood for the sample. Next, add 1 drop of blood into the well of the test cassette. Then, add 2 drops of the diluent solution. After 15 minutes, review the test cassette. Do not read the results after 20 minutes. A single line in the result window at the C position indicates negative result. A negative result means the sample indicates that you do not have hepatitis C. 2 lines in the result window at the C and T positions indicate a positive result. A positive result means the sample indicates that you have hepatitis C. You should visit a licensed medical professional immediately for further testing. Earlier diagnosis allows for more effective treatment. If no lines appear, or if the line appears at the wrong position, the test is invalid. You should test again with a new kit. Never reuse a test kit. Please dispose of all test kit components safely after reading your results. The test kit package includes a guide for interpreting the results. Thank you for choosing iCare. Please visit our website stdrapidtest.com if you wish to order a hepatitis C test kit.